Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best appointment booking for consultants by comparing Calendly and Acuity Scheduling if you're looking for the best appointment booking tool in 2025. Then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Both Acuity and Calendly have a relatively intuitive interface, but Calendly's is especially straightforward to navigate. Calendly is less of an all-purpose tool than Acuity, focusing instead on one core feature: scheduling. If your business depends on virtual meetings, you'll appreciate the thoughtful touches that Calendly has added. That's not to say that Calendly is just a meeting scheduler. For example, Calendly now maintains detailed records of everyone you've scheduled meetings with, and Calendly's workflow features are sophisticated enough that you can use them to automate a surprising number of pre-meeting and post-meeting activities. Routing forms are another powerful way to make Calendly more useful to the rest of your business. Acuity's offerings go beyond meetings. It offers client management tools, invoicing, and complex service customizations. And with a paid plan, you can generate invoices and accept payments for services, all through the same app. When you send an invoice, customers receive an email from Acuity and can easily pay by clicking a button. While Calendly does allow users to accept credit card payments via integrations with Stripe and PayPal, Acuity's payment features are better for retail and service businesses. Acuity doesn't have a ton of marketing features, but if your needs are simple, it offers enough to let you run a good chunk of your business from a single platform. You can also integrate your Acuity calendar with Facebook and Instagram. Customers who are browsing your Instagram profile, for example, can schedule an appointment without even leaving the app. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.